Hi there, I'm Jenny from 36pix. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the perfect blue screen knockout using CloudKO Lite, even when your subject is wearing blue. Let's get started by choosing one of CloudKO Lite's background colors to make it easier to see the edge of our subject. I can scroll through the background colors using the keyboard shortcut C for color. I'm going to choose white, but you can choose whichever one you like. When an image opens, sometimes you'll notice background color left around the subject's hair. To remove this, I'll use the red brush tool like so. I can call the brush tool by using the keyboard shortcut B or by choosing the brush from the toolbar. Once I've finished that, I can press the backslash key to show the image in overlay mode to make sure there isn't any blue left where there shouldn't be. When the image is complete, press F8 to save it. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos for information on the tools and actions offered by CloudKO Lite. Thanks for watching.